Canada's Immigration Trends, Tourist Visa, Visitor Visa Update 2025. Have you ever dreamed of starting a new life in Canada, only to hear alarming news about soaring visa rejections? What if we told you that, in 2024, nearly 50% of temporary resident applications were turned down? Today, we're diving headfirst into this unprecedented trend that's reshaping Canada's immigration landscape and what it means for you. Whether you're an aspiring immigrant, an international student, or just curious about the shifting tides in Canadian policy, you won't want to miss this vital information. In today's video update, we delve into the sharp rise in Canadian visa rejections, uncovering the reasons behind the increasing number of refusals and identifying those most affected. This year's developments have sparked significant discussions, particularly regarding the implications of these trends for prospective immigrants and international students. We also explore the decline in international student applications, a trend raising concerns among educational institutions across the country, especially given the financial reliance many institutions have on international tuition fees. Meanwhile, there is a noticeable surge in visitor record applications, which indicates a shift in how people are attempting to extend their stay in Canada, often as a strategy to navigate the increasingly complex visa landscape. Finally, we examine the economic and policy pressures that are shaping Canada's immigration future, providing you with a clear picture of what lies ahead. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for anyone contemplating a move or an extended stay in Canada. Be sure to watch until the end to grasp how these developments could impact your plans for moving to or staying in this diverse country. If you're excited about exploring more valuable insights and opportunities related to immigration and travel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Travel Tree, where we provide expert advice and the latest updates to help you plan your next big move. Headline Update: Visa rejections hit 50%. The headline update reveals staggering news. Canada rejected a dramatic 50% of temporary resident applications in 2024. A chilling wave has swept through Canada's immigration landscape this year, as half of all temporary residents now face rejection. This significant policy shift signals a tightening of immigration gates, with broad implications for students, workers, and tourists alike. Behind these alarming statistics lies a complex narrative shaped by policy pressures, economic instability, and global events, including the realities of a post-pandemic world. Sharp rise in Canada visa rejections. Examining the sharp rise in Canada visa rejections sheds light on the driving forces behind this troubling trend. In 2024, Canada experienced an astonishing 50% rejection rate, with 2.3 million applications denied, marking an all-time high. Visitor visas were particularly hard hit, facing a rejection rate of 54%, while student visa refusals climbed to 52%. These statistics reflect a government under significant pressure to manage housing shortages and rising living costs, which directly impact immigration policy and subsequently the chances of approval for potential residents. Declining international student applications. Next, we highlight the concerning decline in international student applications, which raises alarms among educational institutions and policymakers alike. Canada is not isolated in this trend. While student visa rejections have surged, total applications plummeted by 46%, resulting in only 469,000 applications in 2024. Other major study destinations, such as Australia, the UK, and the US, have similarly experienced sharp declines in international student numbers. This policy crackdown is proving costly not only for educational institutions reliant on international tuition but also for the economy, which benefits from the contributions of skilled graduates. Surge in visitor record applications. We now turn our attention to the surge in visitor record applications and the underlying causes. Many temporary residents in Canada are opting to seek visitor records as a means of extending their stay. These applications nearly doubled since 2019, with a refusal rate of just 5%. While this route provides a temporary solution for many, it does not allow for work or study, leaving applicants in a precarious position. The pressing question remains: how long can migrants remain in this state of limbo, relying solely on visitor status? Economic and policy pressures. As we wrap up our discussion, the data paints a tense picture for Canada's immigration future. Rising visa rejections, increasing policy uncertainty, and a decline in international student flows indicate that Canada's immigration system is evolving under significant pressure. Unfortunately, the outlook for temporary residents appears increasingly murky. Staying informed about these developments is crucial, as what lies ahead could impact millions of individuals seeking to start new lives in Canada. That's all from us for today. Join the conversation in the comments section, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates on what's coming next. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will dive deeper into essential travel tips, exciting destination highlights, and expert advice tailored specifically for your Canadian adventure. Whether you're looking for must-see landmarks, hidden gems, or tips on navigating the local culture, we've got you covered. Don't miss out. For the latest updates and valuable information, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Travel Tree, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for your time, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Safe travels.